school boards to change their strategies, how they operate, how they allocate money, to make sure that the first and priority in the priority in those allocation should be about food. In county committees, board of management of schools, be it primary, lower primary, those who are in junior high school, we organize ourselves well so that we make sure that a priority becomes our children. We call upon the government to make a deliberate decision to focus on the nutritional value of the meals served to learners in schools. The health of the learners should invite us much attention as the learners' presence in the school. Towards this, we urge that nutritionalists be appointed at the sub-county level with mandates to work with the schools to ensure that they serve food to learners that is healthy and relevant to socio-cultural settings. There may be need for collaboration between the ministries of health and education on this undertaking. We further urge that the government displays this concern for the welfare of the learners by expanding the school feeding programs to all schools.
Of the welfare, and I think that is where feeding of learners falls on. We need to encourage the parents also strongly to come on board and ensure they are supporting the school management to think about this. I also wish to mention that the other stakeholders like local health centers, they should come on board at least to advise and to give us, because truly speaking, the parents and everybody is feeling the pinch, especially because of the economy. But we cannot, and I say again, we cannot assume the role of taking care of the welfare of the learners.
Nayo thirikari nene nirutite